Second Golf Tournament 2025. Our first runner-up goes to Mr. Abelia J. He got 105, 30, and 75. And our grand champion para sa ating second golf tournament, congratulations to... Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan ang pinakamahusay, Mr. Manalili J. He garnered 75, 10, and 65. This is awarded by Attorney Emer Asteno. Para po sa Class C, ang ating second runner-up, congratulations to... Nakakuha siya ng 109, 34, and 75. Pupunta naman tayo sa second golf tournament 2025, nearest to the pin at hole number 4. Congratulations! Palakpakan po natin ang nag-iisang General Nieves! At ang ating kampiyon para sa ating second golf tournament 2025, Class C, congratulations, Mr. De Las Anas! Okay, at this point, lilipat naman po tayo sa Class B. This event is to be awarded by Attorney Kenneth Yambao. Palakpakan naman po natin si Attorney. Ang napakagwapo. Okay, Attorney, bago po natin po imbitahin po lahat po ng nanalo, ano pong masasabi po ninyo sa mga players po natin?
Well, of course, we would like to thank all of the participants in today's second golf tournament for Suprema Legs Fraternity. Maraming salamat po. What a way to celebrate Christmas than to play the...
Alright! Sige, sige! Diba? Ayan na! Ayan na! Ay! Dito! Wait lang! Sino na una?
Christmas than to play the game that we all love.
For second runner-up, Class B goes to Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul garnered 93, 24, and 69. Para ating first runner-up, nakakuha po siya ng 92, 24, and 68. Congratulations! Palakpakan po natin, Mr. Lampiado. Last but not the least, para po sa most accurate drive at hole number 6, 11 inches from the line. Para sa ating grand raffle, sino dito ang gusto mag-uwi ng brand new 40 inches television? Hey! Is it correct? Congratulations! Ladies and gentlemen, ang ating kampiyon para sa ating second golf tournament under Suprema Legs Fraternity. Congratulations! Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan, Mr. Balbuena. Congratulations! He garnered 94, 28, and 66. Beat at ang ating first runner-up para sa ating Class A second golf tournament 2025. Congratulations to Doc Ridge. He garnered the score 76, 11, and 65. This is again to be awarded by Attorney Emer Asteno. Next, para naman po sa ating special award to be awarded by our hardworking and very handsome Attorney Mark Navas. Palakpakan naman po natin siya. Ang napakasipag. Para po sa second runner-up, palakpakan po natin, Miss Cookie! Congratulations! Of course, kanina nakita natin ang power ng mga kalalakihan at nararapat lamang na parangalan din po natin ang ating ladies division champion. Palakpakan naman po natin our champion for the ladies division of our second golf tournament, Miss Tonette. She garnered 91, 23, and 16. Congratulations! Papasok naman tayo sa low na champion. Congratulations! Palakpakan po natin, Mr. Perez! Para po sa ating low na champion. Congratulations, lowest na. Para po sa special award, tinatawagan niyo po si Attorney Mark Navas, Girl Power, Rana! At this point, to award our longest drive at hole number 5, 249 yards. Palakpakan po natin, Gab San Juan! Congratulations, Gab! Tayo together with Attorney Mark Navas. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat, and welcome to the most wonderful time of the year, our much anticipated Suprema Lights Fraternity Christmas Party 2025. Hindi lang po kasiyahan ang ating aabangan, kundi mamaya ay meron tayong mga award. Siyempre, kailangan lamang po parangalan lahat ng mga nanalo, and later on ay mamimigay din tayo ng limpak-limpak na raffle at cash prizes para sa inyong lahat.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa ating munting palaro? Pagpasensya nyo na kasi this is